How to check specs on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. At the very top of the General menu, tap on About. Here, you can view key specifications like the model name, iOS version, serial number, and total storage capacity. For more details, you can copy the model number by long pressing it. Now, go back to the home screen and open up the Safari web application. Tap on the text field of the search option and paste the model number you copied. By searching for this model number online, you can find specific information about your device, such as its color, region, and other hardware features. Following these steps, you can easily check the specs on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.